I'd love to dip a little bit and kind of maybe touch on who can run courses. I think so often we just assume that like math teachers run courses or if you're learning something that's more like textbook, that's what a course is for. What are your thoughts as far as somebody who's doing surfing or somebody who is a baker or somebody who does hair? Is there a possibility to run a course in pretty much any industry? What are your thoughts on that?
Oh, I think definitely. Like even the most in-person thoughts industry could use and can use online courses. Just consider, and I can speak for myself. During COVID, there was no way to get into a hairdresser. Like hairdressers were closed down. You couldn't get an appointment, and my hair was kind of messed up by a hairdresser just like one day prior to the lockdown. And I reached out to the guy. I literally, like, my hair used to be blonder, and I literally, when I pulled it up in a ponytail, I had like a really blonde stripe here and one in the back, and the back one I couldn't even see until my sister was there, and she was like, what's that in your back of your head? And she took a picture, and I freaked out. I'm like, oh my god, I paid a lot of money for this, and the guy didn't even see that. But I couldn't go back because it was lockdown. So what does a creative entrepreneur do? I went on YouTube and I tried to look for, videos, and I found a girl who's offering actually like mini course and all, like different types of courses on how you can do your hair at home, because everyone was, at home, and you had to figure it out. So I bought the equipment and I watched all of her videos, and she was so detailed that I could do my hair for myself, so I could fix it and I didn't look so and this is something that I'm not saying, like, I wouldn't recommend to everyone, especially if you're trying to do blonde, because it can, damage your hair. But the way she thought it, even without being an expert in the field, she explained all the chemistry, like on the level that I had to know in order not to mess up my hair even more. But it like gave me the extra time until I could get back to having an appointment with a proper hairdresser who like finished it up.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
I love that. So literally anything, like
Yeah.
anything that anybody is doing, there is a with some creativity, a course that can be created.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Like even just go on TikTok and if you look up I don't know, a plumber, how to do plumbing and how to do this, how to do that, there would be either a video or there would be a mini course. And you could learn anything, which is, I think, amazing nowadays to have this freedom to be able to learn whatever you're interested in, and obviously what's within your budget. But it's really, the sky's the limit.
Wow. Very, very